Direct or partial variation, true or false? Write the correct statement if false. Question 8. David walked from school at a constant speed of 50 meters per minute and reached home after 10 minutes. The graph showing his distance from home with time represents a direct variation. True or false? This is tricky. This is a very tricky question, okay? So for this, try to make a graph. Make a rough sketch. When I say graph, I really don't mean a perfect graph. Just a rough sketch is good enough, right? So here David walked from school at a constant speed of 50 meters per minute and reached home after 10 minutes, right? Okay, so that means we have time on one axis and distance on the other, correct? Distance is dependent on time here, right? The graph showing his distance from home, graph from home with time represents direct variation. So this distance is from home. So distance from home. Let's try to understand. From home of school, right? That is what it assumes. Because David walked from school at a constant speed of 50 meters per minute and reached home after 10 minutes. So if he reached home after 10 minutes, so you remember the distance time triangle. That is a very beautiful triangle. It always gives us right results. Distance, speed and time. So what is distance equal to? So distance is equals to speed into time. Now speed is 50 meters per minute. So we write speed is 50 and time is 10 minutes. Times 10, right? So 50 times 10 is 500. Let me put brackets here. 500 meters. Okay. So the school is 500 meters from house. So when David started from school, how far was he from home? He was 500 meters away. And when he reached home, then the distance became 0. Kind of like this. Do you see that? So this is his initial distance as t equal to 0 when he started from school. And as he reached home after 10 minutes, this is 10 minutes. Do you see that? After 10 minutes, his distance of home became 0 because he reached home. Now this line, does it represent direct variation? Of course not. Correct. It does not go through origin. So it is not a direct variation. Correct? But what could be, how could I change this statement to make it direct variation? I could. The graph showing his distance from school with time represents a direct variation. If I change this word home by school, right? Let me write from school. If I changed home with school with time, then it becomes direct variation because he started at school, right? So in 10 minutes he will reach home and the line will be like this. So that line is a direct variation. Do you understand? That will be a direct variation. Perfect. So there are, it's kind of tricky at times. You need to sketch it and then get the right things. I hope you enjoyed the whole process of direct variation. We really did not talk much about partial variation, which we will do in coming examples. Okay? Thank you.